Hello children, it is the page number 3, A reading The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Part 2. Let's start. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the cat second pass from court. The next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in a train. Now I told you the town mouse and the country mouse were the cousin. They often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse received a letter from his cousin that the town mouse had been ill with cough, and his doctor advised him to take a holiday, and he asked the country mouse to spend a week in the country side. The country mouse invited his cousin, and after invitation he packed his luggage and he next train and caught the next train to the countryside. But that day it was a very hot day. Sunny day means hot day, and in train town mouse started feeling very hot. I wish there was an air conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. I miss here. Town mouse was thinking this train coach would be air conditioned, because that day was very hot. He was feeling very uncomfortable, means very hot. He was not able to bear the hot. And now next. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled. Grumble means talking himself in a mouth, not clearly, that to himself, while the train chugged slowly into the country, means the sound made by the train engine. However, same time, but because he could not do anything, he had to bear the hot, because that compartment was the train coach was not AC. So he was telling himself only. After that same time, train slowed down in the country, means he reached there, and the country mouse was waiting at the station. The village mouse was in the station to welcome his friend. Oh cousin, there, town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. Got off means get down from the train. Same time he told, oh cousin, means both greet each other. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly, means very hot and thirsty. The train was too much hot, and I felt very, very hot and thirsty, means want to drink water. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. And he was feeling, I wanted to drink something cool drink, and I think you have there in home. Well, I have some water, and the country mouse said, but I can took around for some coconut water if you like. The country was, because it was country, that is village, that's why he told, I have only water. If you want, I can search some coconut water also. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in the horror. Horror means town mouse was habituated to drink like juices, different type juices and cool water. He didn't like water and coconut water. So he told, coconut water? Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? means soda. Lemonade means a soda with a lemon flavor and some orange juice. He demanded for orange juice and lemonade. I am afraid, replied his cousin, but I found a very nice piece of fruit today and a tender means it is very soft, fresh bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. And then I am afraid means I am sorry, he told. But I had he offered him means I had a piece of root and sugar cane. He offered him his friend, his cousin, to eat the root and sugar cane piece, and he was thinking he would enjoy that. Root, sugar cane, the town mouse exclaimed, means speaking with in different way. And he told root and sugar cane because, but I didn't eat raw food like that because town mouse means city mouse was habituated to eat the cooked food. He did not like to eat the raw without cooked food. That is why he exclaimed that. The town mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I am afraid means sorry to say that too you have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. He told, sorry friend, it is a country, it is a village, and we eat that only, and you have to eat that only raw things. But you one time try, it is not bad, it is a very tasty, you eat. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He did not enjoy anything. He nibbled means eating in small bite at the root and sugar cane, and then he said wanted to sleep. He did not enjoy, just he had eaten without any interest. And after that he told, I already got very tired and I wanted to sleep. The town mouse sought a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep here. And then again he sought one corner, because in village town lives in a hole only, because here no pakka floor is not there, na, that's why they makes hole in the land and they live there. But in city like this not there. City they live in the cupboard and like this, in cloth like this, they sleep in almirah. And but in village he told you sleep in the hole only. Okay, thank you.